So finally, I have a good problem, and that is where to plant these cabbage. This is Copenhagen cabbage, and I need somewhere to put it because everything here is doing well. This looks a little wilted. It's early morning, and it was cold last night. I'll keep these covered at night. This is not a frost cloth. This is actually to keep the deer away, but these all came up looking good, so I need to find a place to put this. The original plan was to see what didn't germinate, what didn't come up, and then just pop these in. But this is the inside of my new mini greenhouse. A lot of this has to come out because the weather has been warm and it's been too hot in here. That's the reason why these are looking a little bit saggy, but no big deal. So back to these guys. I am going to, I guess, the best course of action for me would be to put them in here. This is up, but I still have to work around the edges here to get this closer to the ground. I was a little bit off my measurements here, but in here, these are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see where the cabbages are coming up in here. There's my little label. So what I'm going to do is add these into here and work this so that it's just more level with the ground. There's a top that goes to this, and it's a greenhouse top. So I, again, didn't put it on because the weather's been pretty good. We are in almost mid-October, not quite, and the weather has been good. At night, it's going down to the 40s, a couple nights into the 30s, but we've only had frost warning once. I don't think we actually got the frost, and this is the reason why I'm keeping a close eye on these guys here. So I'll put these over here and cover it with this just to give a little bit extra added protection, and that'll be that. There's a few seeds I threw in here, but so far they haven't germinated. I don't care because these are my backups. So I'm going to put these in, and that'll be it. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on this morning in the garden. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Catch you guys on the next video. There's a lot going on this fall, this winter, so if you hit the subscribe button and the notification button, then hopefully you'll follow along with me for the fall and winter. Thanks for spending some of your time with me today, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.